Water is not just there for the aesthetics. It's a living environment that we coexist with.
The waste that actually ends up in our marina could have traveled for thousands of miles offshore, and with the wind and the tides is brought into our area.
We had taken on the stewardship of environmental responsibility, and we started looking for the solutions.
We wanted to start imagining, influencing the future right at the water edge.
Plastic waste is choking our planet's waterways. From rivers and lakes to the vast oceans, millions of tons of plastic enter the water every year, harming wildlife, disrupting ecosystems, and even making its way into our food. Nowhere is immune. Even here, in a quiet marina on the edge of the desert. At Dubai Harbor, the team wanted to help tackle the global plastic crisis. Enter the WasteShark. Designed in Amsterdam and now cleaning waterways in over 33 countries. It's a clever little robot that acts like a vacuum cleaner for the sea. Gliding through the water, it scoops up plastic, debris, and even algae. Its design is inspired by the whale shark, the ocean's gentle giant, and the largest fish in the world, which feeds by filtering plankton and small fish through its wide-open mouth. Like its namesake, the WasteShark cleans as it goes and has become part of Dubai's commitment to sustainability.
We want to impress the future with technology. For us, it's part of our commitment to sustainability.
Right, gentlemen, so we're going to get this launched into the water. Obviously, we just need to make sure that we get it all powered on, the remote on. Make sure it's calibrated. The WasteShark, it's basically designed to skim anything off the surface of the water, anything that's floating just below the surface as well. And you can catch it into a bucket, which is actually built inside the equipment itself. And then you can bring it back to a collection point.
Over the term of about 2 years, we've collected just under 4,000 kilograms of general waste. That is quite extraordinary. Not only the rubbish is being collected, the waterways are clean, but we're looking at sustainable solutions to move forward.
Unlike traditional cleanup boats that burn fuel, the WasteShark is electric and remotely operated, making it a cleaner way to clean. As it scoops up rubbish, it also collects data. Built-in sensors track water temperature, pH, pollution, and more, sending real-time info to scientists, helping them monitor not just what's on the surface, but the overall health of the water.
The WasteShark helps drum up awareness, helps drum up education, because they're really cool-looking bits of apparatus and they're quite fun and everyone can relate to that. It gives them a bit of equipment that's just fun to follow. And if you're watching it in action, you're not only watching action, you're also learning something about waste removal and helping protect the environment.
We do have a culture in our marina of sustainability, but also of finding innovative ways to protect and preserve that water edge that we believe we will be leaving behind for the future.